Hey, Alexus, Love Beauties and Flawless Man. Welcome back to another podcast episode. I just wanted to say this. If people are still going around in 2025 talking about, you think you better than us, you think you richer than us, you think you smarter than us, you think you more educated than us, you think you... Okay, we're going to start coming into agreement with these things with wisdom. Not to be boastful in the name of Jesus, but just to say, okay, a lot of the times people see things on you that you don't see. They are seeing your greatness. They just don't know how to express it in another way. They are seeing that you could. They see your potential. They see that you are better, and it could be aimed towards them in a certain way. See, it's a target. Like, you think you better than me. So some people have that insecurity where they think everything is just towards them. And some people have where it's a compliment, but they don't have communication etiquette. Look at me. The Lord just be teaching me words on these podcasts. I swear. Some people don't have communication etiquette just to say, hey, I'm about to give them a compliment. You know what? You have been doing a great job. I'm so glad that you're doing better than me, because I remember being in that spot. I'm just going to start taking it to heart, because I'm learning that people don't know how to express certain things, not learning about certain things. And I can't keep, looking at the mote in somebody else's eye, and I got my own problems trying to correct somebody on how to spell, trying to correct somebody on how to speak, and I'm still working on myself. But if somebody gonna keep on saying you great, you smart, you wise, you rich, and you blessed and highly favored, God is with you, you favorable, you the favor of God is on your life, you a successful business owner, you a multi-millionaire, you got so much potential, you gonna make it in life, and start coming in agreement with it, because these is positive affirmations. Like I said, people don't know how to deliver it to you in the form of a compliment, or people seeing that you're doing something that could possibly be greater than their walk in life. But instead of them asking, hey, what are you doing? Because I want to be great. They just do it like that to try to bring you down. We're not letting people bring us down this year, because we are doing things to be great, and we move when we work with wisdom. So we're not doing anything to be boastful, because we don't go out here like, yeah, I'm better than you. So that's the difference between us and them. But in 2025, I'm working on myself. I pray you working on yourself. We're just going to learn how to drop the offenses, because a lot of people don't even know how to say what really be on their heart. And it is what it is. And then we got to be cautious about being around these people too, because the spirits in these people is running rampant. But somebody keep on saying you better than me, you think you better than me, don't ever think highly than you ought to, but just take it as a compliment. Like, you know what, I'm doing a good job in my journey.